Sección 13, vamos por Cuenta, historias en una fogata 5 de 6.
Seating. Distract. Killer. Case.
Is anyone else worried about those killer bees?
Is anyone else worried about those killer bees?
Robber.
Gang. Squirrel. Squirrel. Clue. Gang.
Why do you think your heart is racing?
¿Por qué piensas que tu corazón está acelerado? Qué tenebrosa historia acerca de asesinos de osos. Voz que está manteniéndome despierto. My heart is running. Racing. I know that I'm scared because I can feel my foot, my heart.
That sounded like a squirrel to me. Sequel.
My heart is racing.
Racing. When I try to rescue my sleeping bag. Somos s'mores. No, ahora yo no puedo dormir.
Sleeping.
Además, me saco dormir demasiado caliente.
After hearing that spooky story about the killer squirrels, I'm going to hide my peanuts at the bottom of my sleeping bag.
Después de escuchar que la spooky story
Spooky.
acerca de asesinos de ardillas, yo voy a esconder de mi lugar de dormir. Dangerous animals.
That. Sounded.
Me.
Like. Squirrel.
That sounded like scary to me.